you know, we're going to talk about the Aquatic Life remote water monitoring solution. And here you see the remote water monitoring solution, the AquaHive, and it really helps you address that social license to operate in a mine. So normally people have to go out to the site, collect the samples manually. They have to go out in together with another person, so it's expensive. And you can see some of the low frequency data. So we're grabbing samples, you're bringing it back to the office to run your tests on the sample, and you might do that every 2 weeks, you might do it every 6 months, it depends. But here we have a different approach. AquaHive, you deploy it, you set the sensor into it, and the sensor, we're sensor agnostic. So it means you can use different types of sensors with the box. It has plug and play libraries, so you see the sensor immediately in the system, and it's delivering that data by satellite or cellular telemetry to a cloud dashboard. Dashboard itself is customizable. It's very easy to use, but let us go back. After it goes into the dashboard, the data can be pulled by a REST API into the Rockwell family. So here you have the satellite, the cellular, and the data going into the solutions platform. So if we move on, you would think about an example in the mining industry. When you think about Chile, there's water shortages in the north of Chile, and there are issues that are associated to that. You need to monitor that water quality and quantity for the most effective. Excess water, we have all over the world, we're monitoring excess water and the quality associated and helping mines with that solution. So here's a big challenge is water balance monitoring. So when you think about the annual water balance that normally is done, here you have real-time operational water balance. So a real-time operational water balance through the implementing stations all over the site to monitor the inflows into the site, outflows out of the site, and then process water control in the plant back and forth. So we're picking up makeup water from seepage ponds. We're able to arrange trigger action response levels. So if you have a tailings pond with a particular level, we have that trigger action response levels we take into account. And I guess finally, if you really, here are those outcomes, early warning of that you're getting close to a compliance target. You get enhanced visibility. So people automatically, from their desk, they see what's happening in water quality and quantity all over the mine site, because it comes into the cloud, and you can sit and record and see the recorded data and be alerted when there's problems. The stations themselves will change color when there's a problem, and so you see that data visibly. And then you can obviously reuse the water and send the data into the plant so that you enhance the processing, the flotation processes in the plant, for example. So that's just one of the many examples of AquaHive in action, and we hope to have many installations therein.